Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny and I'm back with another video. So really quickly, I wanted to show you guys some items that I received in the mail today. Like, I was so thirsty for this package, I couldn't even get upstairs into my apartment. I literally just checked the mail and I got these items, and I'm just gonna do the unboxing right here right now. So I checked my mail and I have a package from a company called Our Happy Box, and basically this is a cruelty-free company that offers beauty products and things that just make you feel beautiful. So I'm super happy to be working with Our Happy Box, and I did want to thank Our Happy Box for sponsoring this video right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the video, show you guys what they sent me, and yeah. So basically this is what they sent me. They sent me this box, and of course has my address on it, but they sent me this box, and let's open her up. So when you first open it, there is a note, and then there is also some bubble wrap, and the items are securely wrapped. So it says, "Hello, beautiful Daniela. Thank you for your interest in RYOR skincare. We look forward to your review. XO." And then it has Our Happy Box on the back, and this is what the card looks like. And this is the name of the company. So I really like how sleek and clean everything looks. Y'all know I'm like a stickler for that, and I always look for clean, sleek products. So yeah, once I open the box, this is what the things look like, and it looks like they sent me 3 things and then some samples. So let's just jump right into it. So the very first thing that they sent me was this RYOR, and it looks like it is a moisturizing micellar water for all skin types, including sensitive ones. Cleanses, removes makeup, including eye makeup. Apply in the morning and evening with the cotton pad. So first off, look how pretty, y'all. Look how pretty the packaging is. So cute. So this is a moisturizing water to remove your makeup, eye makeup, and things like that. So first impressions, it is super beautiful. I love the way how everything was securely wrapped, and I love how crisp and clean the packaging is. So yeah, I'll definitely be using this to take off my makeup, because a couple vlogs back, I don't know if y'all saw, but I actually was looking for a new makeup remover. So yeah, this is the first thing they sent me, a makeup remover. The second thing they sent me was a mask against blackheads, face mask. And basically it's just a standard face mask. You apply it to your face, leave it on 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off. So I'm excited about that because I do struggle with acne prone skin. So I love the fact that they did include a blackhead mask. And look at this one. I love the purple, kind of goes with my nails. Y'all, this is so pretty. And I love how the packaging on the box is the same as the packaging on the actual product. So this is a face mask. If y'all want to see me do like a video taking off my makeup with the makeup remover and then applying the mask, go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now, and I'll know to get that out for y'all, because I always do unboxing videos and then I'll try to come back like a month later and let you guys know, if it's working or not. So of course there will be a part 2 to this, but if you want to see me do an actual routine, let me know. And the last thing they sent me was this depigmentation cream, intensive care, and it's for all skin types to be applied locally to pigment spots once or twice a day. It lightens the skin. So if y'all can look at my face, it's actually covered pretty good with makeup, but I do have spots that are on my face from when I had chickenpox and things like that. So I really love that they included a depigmentation cream that can kind of help my skin look the same all over. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like, and this one is pink and green. Y'all, I'm dying for these packages. I'm dying for this packaging because it's so pretty. Definitely something I would want to display. And this is what the product actually looks like, again matching the packaging. So yeah, that's a depigmentation cream to help bring my skin tone evenly. And then y'all, the last thing they sent me was multiple samples, which I really love. Looks like we have a combination of a nourishing cream, a cream for oily and dry skin, some gel, an 8-in-1 makeup cleanser for dark, for medium, argan oil, and then cream for a man. So they sent a plethora of products. And again, the Happy Box is a company that offers beauty products cruelty free. I do have the prices of each item, so I'll definitely leave it on the screen as I talk about it. But the presentation was absolutely gorgeous. And again, I want to thank the Happy Box for sponsoring this video. If y'all want to see me do an actual routine, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If I can get this video to 20 thumbs up, I will go ahead and do that routine for y'all. 20 is not a lot, so go ahead and smash it. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and drop that smile emoji, because these products really made me feel good just by the appearance, and that's what I really like to look for. I like to look for products that look good. Like, I had no idea they would be this beautiful in person, but it always brightens my day to see beautiful products. So that's the end of this video, the end of this unboxing. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all are interested in these products, I'll leave their Instagram, website, and everything on the screen, and you can also click in the description box below and you can find the same information. All right, y'all, let me get in the house. Reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces. Website and everything on the screen, and you can also click in the description box below and you can find the same information. All right, y'all, let me get in the house. Reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces.
Had a girl quiet like me, me.
Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in the Rari, my beside me.